everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to film the last week of January 2021 and I'll be using this beautiful kit from Nicole Alexia design called Sunflower. This is a B6 size kit, but I'm gonna use it on my A5 coil bound light planners action planner. And the kit comes with your 9 full boxes in gold foil and it's absolutely beautiful. Definitely out of my comfort zone. Yellows, dark blues, oranges, not me, but we're gonna use it. So it comes with the 9 boxes, 3 half boxes here at the bottom, more half boxes, labels on the second page. The third page you have more labels, headers, decorative headers, habit trackers, flags, checklists, and your little things. And finally you have the fourth page with your bottom washi, your date covers, some icons and some scripts. Now, because this kit is for a B6, obviously the washi won't fit here. I've made some measurements and I know it's not gonna fit, so that's why I'm gonna bring a different washi to the fold. And I am thinking about these 3. So I might use the polka dot, these are all simply gilded. I might use the polka dot with the blue polka dot with gold foil, maybe the autumn collection in Stardust, or maybe the white Stardust. So I'm not sure which one will look better. I think that this would be not a weird combination, but not something I would use. But when you put both of them like this, it looks beautiful. At the same time, if you use this combination, it looks more clean and it also matches. So I'm leaning towards this one because we have polka dot and we have stripes here as well. So I don't want a lot of clash, and I think the orange would clash a little bit, but that's just on my head, so I'm not sure if I'm going crazy here. If I am, please let me know. Anyway, I'll be pulling a lot of stickers from my stash. They will all be linked or the shops will be named on the description of this video, and if you follow me on Instagram, you can also see all of the shops will be tagged. My Instagram handle is @SammiePlans and it's also on the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching and let's get this started. So this time around I've used colors that are not my comfort zone. I do like how it looks. I put down the bottom washi and I was uncertain if the red or orangey washi was gonna look good, so I just went with the white Stardust and I think it looks really nice. I think it doesn't clash at all, and actually it makes the kit less too much to the eye. That's how I can explain it. Put down the bottom washi and then put down the date covers, and on Saturday and Sunday I used only the 10mm washi because otherwise it gets too cluttered. So after that I started putting down all of my full boxes and double boxes. Now I'll have to think very carefully about double boxes because the configuration of the planner is different. So I usually do that on the weekend. I put a double box, but because my weekend is stacked, I can't do that, and I just didn't think about doing that on Thursday and Friday. So maybe next time I'll do it Thursday and Friday when I have a double box kit. Anyway, starting my Monday, put down a cute little coffee cup that was a freebie, I don't remember from which shop, and the script of Coffee Monday. A half box to mark down that it was work from home, and the script is from me. I did receive some happy mail on the Monday, which was really nice. It was my VDS Potier, which is a cream color kind of planner, and it's absolutely beautiful and still in the box, and it's gonna be still in the box until winter. That's when I think I'm gonna change from my VDS Tabak to my Potier because that would match the aesthetic for winter. So from now until fall, it'll be the tabac, and then I'll change for the poussière. I put down a flag and an icon from the kit to mark down midnight, and then I also used a half box from the kit inverted, so instead of using it horizontally, I use it vertically. Put down a little sticker, icon sticker, to mark down it was game related things, and I wrote down all of the little details that I needed to do. It's sort of an admin kind of thing that I had to do, so I had to write down a few things, and I wanted to check that list because I have to, it's a way for me to keep track of the things that are going on. I love keeping track of everything that's happening, but anyway, that's that's why I did that way. I was going to use a checklist, but the configuration of the checklist would look weird in my opinion, so I thought that maybe a half box inverted, the position inverted, as I've seen a few people use, would be a good idea to try. And I have to say, I'm absolutely addicted to do that. So I've done that 3 times on this spread, and it just looks so good. I'm also using Sakura Microperm pen, because the kit is on vinyl, at least the half boxes, or everything's on vinyl. So I had to use a permanent pen, and that is the one that I received from Simply Gilded, and it's on 0.3 nib. I do like how it writes on vinyl, but my handwriting on it just looks terrible, even worse than usual. So it is what it is. Tuesday, I put down a Coffee Monsterz Co freebie to mark down that I was sleeping in, because Tuesday was Australia Day, so I had a day off. I marked Australia Day with a quarter box and a little heart that comes with the kit. I did not find my Coffee Monsterz Co koalas and all of the cute little things that I have around on my collection, because I'm moving my office and everything. It's pretty much in boxes. I also put down a flag with a home icon from the kit to mark down that I needed to do the dishes. And as you can see, I put both icons, both the heart and the house, on the same alignment, and I absolutely don't like doing that. I don't know why I did that. It just happened. Did use a half box to mark down that I wanted to dye my hair, and now it's darker again. And yeah, I just couldn't handle it anymore, and I didn't want to go to the hairdresser, because if I can do it myself, I'll do it myself. It's not looking professional, but I don't care. Mark down the clean litter trays with a script from Rose Color Daze. It's on clear sticker paper, and it was something that she was offering in the store, but I don't think she offers it anymore, unfortunately. So once these are gone, they are gone. I used, for water plants, I used a freebie from a shop that I received on one of the collective sales that they do. I do not recall the name of the shop. I do apologize for that. But the script is from me, and I think it looks really clean and really nice. And with that awkward space, I used an Arctic Paper Studio divider or accent with a little heart, and it worked perfectly. Wednesday was work from home. Again, I used a quarter box to mark down some happy mail that I received. Used another flag with the drinking glasses. So these glasses are usually used to, a date night or something like that, but that's not gonna happen. So I used to mark down that I needed to do the dishes, because dishes need love as well, right? And then I again used the half box inverted, so lengthwise instead of width, and the icon with a camera to mark down all of the social media things that I wanted to do, such as my Instagram stories, Instagram post. I needed to promote my haul, and I think that was the last haul that I have recorded. I don't have anything recorded for next week because my box from US didn't arrive yet. Well, one of them did, but to be honest, there wasn't anything like super special on it. I had my Simply Gilded box, but everyone saw that, so I just didn't film it. Last thing I marked down was that I had to call my mom, and the icon is from the Graceful Planner on clear sticker paper in gold foil. Thursdays, work from home. Again, I marked down doing the dishes because it's a chore that I tend to do often. So I just wanted to mark it down because it's my planner. Again, marked the clean litter trays with the clear sticker script from Rose Colored Daze. And the water plants this time, I used a half box that looks like a movie marquee kind of design. And the same or a similar flower arrangement from the freebie that I mentioned that I do not remember the name of the shop. Another flag and another thing related to the game. And finally, I used a quarter box to mark down a few things that I wanted to do on my journals. And the pen that I'm using to mark down what I wanted that day is from a freebie, like a really old grab bag that I had from Panda Bird Designs. I don't think she has these on her shop anymore. They're really old design. They look like the Planner Society pens, the Planner Society subscription box pens, and maybe that's where the inspiration came from, because I'm pretty sure that this is a really, really old sheet that she has, but it matched the kit and it looks relatively okay, so I went with it because I have so many of them. The sheet is like a full kit size sheet, and they are tiny, so there's a lot of little pens on that sheet. Finally, we move on to Friday. So Friday, it's pretty much the same arrangement. Worked from home, did some grocery shopping, and I marked it down with a quarter box or a label from the kit, as well as the script that also comes with the kit. I used Planet Beautiful Girl to mark down that it was Change Bed Sheets Day. And then I did it again. I used a half box inverted to mark down that it was cleaning day. So I used the colorful one this time because I think I was running out of the big normal or solid color one. So I used the patterned one, and it looks beautiful. It really does. I'm really enjoying doing these with half boxes because I tend not to use half boxes a lot. Anyway, cleaning day, all the scripts are from me except the dust one that is from a shop called Planner Stickers AU from Australia. So I did mark down all of the chores that I wanted to get done that day, and the little header just worked so beautifully. Again, the placement of the half box just works really well for me instead of using checklist just goes like me. This one just makes the spread pop, in my opinion, and I could not be more pleased with that. Used a little girl from a freebie from Ven Sticky to mark down some things that I wanted to do that evening, and the script is from the kit. Moving on to Saturday, I marked down Sleep In, and again the script, the squiggled script as I call them, is from the kit. I don't know how to do those squiggles yet on Silhouette. I have the fonts, but I don't remember the format to do the squiggles, so I need to work on that. A half box to mark down that I went to get my nails done, and I have to say bad idea because, well, not bad idea, but it didn't last long. I have 2 broken nails at the moment, and I'm holding on to them for dear life so I can fill my plan with me tomorrow. But yeah, I have 2 broken nails, and it's less than a week that I've done my nails, so I'm not happy with that. Anyway, after marking that down, I also marked all of the YouTube related activities that I wanted to achieve that day, which was to edit my previous plan with me, and I will link it on the screen for you. Did the voiceover for that plan with me, and I also uploaded. Now, the edit and voiceover scripts are my scripts. I've done it for myself, and the upload one is from Randy.plans. Obviously the font is her own handwriting, and it's gorgeous, and I didn't have an upload script for myself. Anyway, marked down the clean litter trays with another script from Rose-Colored Daze, and I used a label or quarter box as a background, and a patterned one at that. Sunday, it was laundry day, little basket to mark that down. Used half a quarter box to mark that it was the day that I called my mom. And the icon, the house icon, is from the Graceful Planner. Again, marked another YouTube related activity with a camera, a little yellow camera from the kit. And again, the script is from Randy.plans, and it is such a cute script. So what I'm doing is, instead of printing my own scripts, I'm using the ones that I have, otherwise I'm not going to use them. And once I run out of scripts, then I'll start printing my own again. Half box to mark down, sorry, quarter box mark down. It was, I was watching a crime, a crime show, so that's why I have 1 ton in a million icon there. And finally, I used a little book from the kit to mark down that it was planning time, and the planning time is a script from freebie. And that's the spread, everyone. Like I said, it's very out of my comfort zone, very out of my comfort zone. But at the same time, it's a spread that warms my heart. I do like sunflowers, so maybe that's it. Or maybe it's just the fact that, you know, sometimes you need to just try something different. And even if it's scary, like a blue, orange, and yellow kit. What else am I going to do with it? Hoard it? No, it's to be used, it's to be loved, it's to be shown out to the world. And I hope I did a good job. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you have any questions, please just write a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also check my Instagram channel where I have my personal undyed Giglio adventure, as well as other few goodies that are very different from what I'm showcasing here. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, be a good person, and have a wonderful week ahead. Love you, lottles. Bye!